Hi everyone, welcome back again. I am going to show a couple of Shravan recipes. This is called Sanzanaa. It's again made in Shravan month. Very tasty. This again my mom's recipe. It's served with sweet coconut milk. So let's see how to make it. Come on. We are going to make the rice mixture ready. This is coarsely ground rice which is needed for the recipe. This is easily available in the stores and may also be called cream of rice. This is one of my mom's amazing recipes which I want to share with you. We need thin coconut milk for this recipe and we will add it in batches so that we can adjust the consistency. You may need some more or less of the coconut milk depending upon the absorbency of the rice. Take your time and mix well between batches. Now this is what we are looking for. When we keep this aside, it may absorb the liquid and thicken. At this time, you can add some more coconut milk to adjust the consistency again. Cover and keep it aside for a couple of hours. In the meantime, let's make the sweetened coconut milk to go with the rice cakes. Again, we need thin coconut milk for this recipe and we will season it to make it delectable. The combination of these spices and seasonings is going to make the coconut milk amazingly flavorful. The aroma of the freshly grated nutmeg is heavenly. Chickpea flour will help thickening the milk. Now remember, the flame is switched off at this time and I am just mixing these before turning it on. Try to break all the lumps for an even and smooth consistency of the coconut milk. Once this is all mixed, we will switch on the flame and cook on low flame, stirring constantly. You will see it start thickening slightly. We will cook until a rolling boil. Now this is perfect and ready. Keep it aside for now. I have kept a steamer ready for steaming the rice mixture. This has been sitting for 2 hours now and it is ready. We need to have this consistency. I have greased the steamer plates with ghee so the mixture won't stick to the plates once cooked. Just drop a few spoonfuls of the mixture for an even layer. Now saffron will enhance the aesthetics of the final dish. Let's keep this for steaming. Cover and it takes about 15 minutes for it to cook completely. Beautiful. You know it's cooked when the knife comes out clean. Now you can cut it in any shape you desire, but I am cutting into diamond shapes. Serve these with the sweetened coconut milk we made earlier. Look at how awesome this looks. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching. Some of these traditional recipes are really mind-blowing and out of the world. So keep checking my channel for some old and traditional and new and easy recipes. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified with any new recipes that I post every week. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Again, I'll see you next week. Bye.